IKONN MT-1 tape measure. There is a hard plastic buckle sticking out where the tape enters the casing. There are two tactile buttons and a screen on the upper flat surface. Orient the tape with the buckle lowest and the buttons facing toward you. The power button is the button to the left and the repeat measurement button is to the right. The tape retraction button is located on the device's left side slightly towards the buckle, while the snap ejection button is on the right side, also near the buckle. The charging port is on the right side of the device, slightly towards the top. Charge the device before use with the provided USB-C cable. After the charging completes, the light around the connector will turn green. Turn on the device by pressing the power button or by pulling the tape. Remember not to overextend the tape beyond 150 cm to avoid damaging it. Use the IKONN Add Product function to pair the tape with your controller.
To add a new accessory product, place it close by. Turn on the new product and then press OK to connect it. Searching.
Once the search is commenced, IKONN will scan the room for about 10 seconds before listing all found products.
New product found. Tape measure. Tape measure added.
After your product is added, you will have a new entry in your main menu called Tape Measure. Once the devices are paired, navigate to the Tape Measure entry in the main menu to hear the measurements read by IKONN.
Tape measure. Turn on the tape measure, and then press OK to begin measuring. Searching. Tape measure connected. 24.4 centimeters. 51.7 centimeters.
To hear the same measurement again, click the M button on the tape or the OK button on your IKONN.
24.4 centimeters. 24.4 centimeters.
Hold the M button for 2 seconds to switch the measurement unit. Changing the units displayed on the tape screen will not automatically change the units used when IKONN announces measurements. To change this, switch between metric and imperial units in the settings menu of your IKONN device.
Change between metric and imperial measurement units. Metric units set.
When measuring the circumference, insert and lock the buckle into the tape slot. Then long press the retract button to ensure that the tape fits the object's measurement part. After completing the circumference measurement, press the eject button of the tape to unlock the buckle. Long press the power button to turn the tape off. For additional support, visit the ikon.info website. Thank you for watching.